How to load funds on your Presto card. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want the step-by-step guide on loading funds onto your Presto card, you have come to the right place. Here is what you need to do. First of all, log in into your Presto application using your credentials. Now, right from the home page, you can tap on the load funds button. Then after, you have to select the amount, which includes typing it in the space. After that, you have to choose a payment method. It could either be your Apple Pay or credit card or debit card. If you have chosen the card, here is the details to do so. First of all, you have to provide the information regarding card holder name, card number, expiration date and CVV code. After that, input your billing address, which includes address, city, country, province and postal code. Tap on checkout after you have entered your payment and billing details. Then after, load funds to your card. For this, tap load now and hold your card against your phone. The app will automatically detect the card and load the selected amount. But make sure that your Presto card is compatible with your phone's NFC features for the loading process. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.